So good morning, everybody. This is me, Kushbas. I have just completed 10th standard in this year. I have joined English Cafe to build my confidence, to build my communication skill because I have public phobia. I can't speak in front of the people in any auditorium. So that's why I joined the English Cafe so that I can build my confidence. And I want to be a teacher because in my village there is no better education facility, there is no well educated teacher, so I want to become a teacher so that I can teach the students and can provide better education. So ladies and gentlemen, today I have been instructed here to take about the daily routine of my friend. So as you already know that everybody has daily routine, you have daily routine, they have daily routine, I have also daily routine. In the same way, my friend has also a daily routine. So first of all, he gets up 4:30 in the morning and go to offer namaz. Because in Muslim community, namaz is very important for the Muslim for 5 times in a day. So that's why he goes to the mosque to offer namaz. After offering namaz, he comes back to the home and goes through the newspaper. Because newspaper is very important nowadays, gets ready for the English Cafe. He joined English Cafe. The same reason he wants to build the confidence to become so that he can speak fluently in front of the people, in front of any public. So that's why he joined the English Cafe. After that, after coming English Cafe, he does some activities here and goes to the next class, that is computer class. You already know that this generation is modern generation and computer skill is very important for all. So that's why he joined the English computer classes to learn some skills. Afterwards, he goes to the house, takes some rest. After taking rest, he take breakfast, lunch. He takes lunch. After taking lunch, he takes siesta as well. In the summer vacation, everybody takes siesta. So that's why he also takes siesta. After getting up, he gets fresh. After some time, he comes out for the playing like cricket. Playing is also very important